Wow, I think you need to stop waiting because this is the right time one need to buy Pepe coin. If you don't have Pepe coin right now, this is an opportunity you can buy and hold this coin. One good thing is that it might be one of the coins you don't really like, or because some people have like, let's say some people prefer to invest on coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, Solana. Some people want to invest only on the top 5 or top 10 coins. But like Almari tells so many people, there are still some coins you can invest a little amount, even if it is $10. You might not know what might happen in the nearest future. Look at someone that invested just $10 on coins like Shiba Inu, Floki Inu, Dogecoin when they started. Some of them earn millions, some of them earn over $100,000 with such little investment. So if you really want to make money with crypto coin, with crypto industry in the nearest future, then definitely you must spray your investment. Yes, you must spray your investment. You need to invest in different categories of coins. Though there are some coins you don't need to invest heavily. There are some coins all you need to do is just to invest a little. For example, there are some coins you need to invest even though it's $5. There's some coin you might even buy at $1. That is true. Coins like Shiba Doge. Imagine investing $1 on Shiba Doge. And Shiba Doge goes ahead to kill 5 to 6 zeros in the nearest future. It means Shiba Doge must have hit almost 10 million percent. And you know that 1,000% of a $1 is $10, and then 10,000% of $1 is $100, and 100,000% of $1 is about 8,000. So if it hits almost 10 million, you might be making almost between $100,000. You might earn almost 100,000 to one. Yeah, it should be $100,000 if I'm right. So you see, there are some coins you can invest little, $10, $5, and then just leave these coins. So for me, Pepe coin is one of the coins. Right now, it's trading with about 5 zeros. Investing $100 will give you a lot of coins. It might even give you millions of Pepe coins. Now, imagine Pepe coin deleting 3 zeros or 4 zeros, start trading at 1 cent, and you have millions of these coins. You know what that means. That's a lot of profit. So I'm not saying at some coin you might decide to invest a lot of money, or you want to buy huge coin to keep like Bitcoin, Ethereum. But like what I'm trying to let you know here is that there are some coins you can just invest, even though it is $5, even though it's $10, because there is a tendency these coins in the next few years can rise, in the next few years can pump massively and delete a lot of zeros. For now, Pepe coin is even doing well, and I hope for the coin to continue to pump, to continue to delete one zero, one after the other gradually. But I also hope that in the next 1 or 2 years, Pepe coin might become one of the top trading coin, and most accepted crypto coins in the world. So please, like I said, I would advise if you want to buy Pepe coin, this is the right time to invest on Pepe coin. But remember to invest just a little, even though it's $5, $1, or $10, because the coin, with the way it's going, it might become the next Solana, the next Shiba Inu, the next Floki or Dogecoin. This is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.